Euro against US dollar this week has dropped in value, and we can see how the price has started. The price started with this small bullish candle, and the next bullish candle reaching the first resistance level, which was 1.09860. We can see this is a confluence of resistance which was preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. And what happened then? The price formed this strong bearish candle that took the price all the way back down to the middle in this between this resistance and the support level, continued to fall down even more. We can see that with the large wick on the lower side with a small bearish body, and the Friday was some kind of an indecision candle with a small body with a large wick on the upper side. The week has closed as a bearish candle, which was continuation of the previous week, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis, and I was expecting that the price will go all the way back down, very close to the 1.08846 at demand zone. The monthly time frame currently just almost half of the month has passed, but we can see that the price is still active and also making a bearish breakout below 1.09860. What will happen in the next 2 weeks? That is something that we'll need to wait and see lower time frames to see how the price behaves. But first, support level here is very important on the monthly time frame. We can see that, and the next one where the price could bounce is this one around here, area here, which is 1.0886, which we'll see on the daily time frame. That very important level. 1.08846, we can see that it is also a weekly support level. So the price could reach this area and then bounce back up. We'll see what happens during the day on the daily time frame, but for now, as it looks on the weekly, this looks that the price could go even further down, reaching the next support level here. The daily shows us clearly this is the first support level, and this is something that I'm expecting the price will try to reach the next week, where the price could bounce and then return back up. Will that happen? All the price will return all the way back down, making a bearish breakout below 1.08846. This is something that we need to see and wait what the price will do around this demand zone, this support level. Now, it is very important to see how the price behaves around this support level, and there is also a probability that the price returns back up after the price reaches this support level. So something could happen, the price reaches this support level, demand zone bounces back up, reaching again an area right here around this one, which is a confluence of resistance, which will be very hard for the price to return back up above this one to continue to rise in value, and we're going again towards 1.11871. We need to remember that on the monthly time frame is the very important level is here, 1.09860, which we can see here, 1.09860, which is a very important in the next 2 weeks. So it's very important for the price to return back up in order to continue to be bullish. If it stays below, this will mean that this bullish breakout that has been formed here in the last 2 months, it will be invalidated, and there is a potential that the price will continue to fall down even more. Will that happen? Something that we need to see in the next 2 weeks. But first of all, I'm expecting the price to reach this demand zone, the support level, and then from there I will see what happens with the price. It is the best always to follow the trend and also follow the market, then chasing and also forcing that the price will move in your direction. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.